This video will show you how to install the Excluder rodent-proof X2 garage and dock door seal. First things first, be sure to wear your safety glasses and safety gloves. To begin, measure the door thickness and be sure you have the appropriate retainer. X2s come in 3 sizes for garage doors: 1.5 inch, 1 3/4 inch, and 2 inch. Then measure the width of your door to be sure you are installing the correct kit. Kits are available for standard width garage doors: 8 foot, 12 foot, and 16 foot. For in-between widths, order the next size up and cut to fit. Have a roll-up door? Be sure to order the Excluder roll-up door kit that includes a T retainer. Remove any previous retainer and seal that was installed on the garage door. Mount all but one of the retainers to your door using a drill. Make sure you are screwing into a solid structural component. For your safety, we recommend you do not remove any door hardware. Instead, cut the retainer to account for any obstructions. Apply WD-40, silicone spray, dish soap, or another lubricant of your choosing into the brush and T-rubber channels. Feed T-rubber into mounted retainers until the leading edge aligns with the mounted retainer end. A little over 4 feet of rubber should now be hanging out of the retainer. Feed the brush seal into the retainer until it lines up with the far edge of the retainer. Again, about 4 feet of brush should be left hanging from the mounted retainer. Take the loose retainer and cut it to fit the remaining space. Lubricate the channels as before. Then carefully feed the T-rubber and brush seal into the retainer, pulling the retainer and seals together until the loose retainer sits flush against the mounted retainer. Cut off any excess T-rubber and brush material using heavy-duty scissors or shears. Mount the retainer to the door. Installation of the Excluder X2 garage and dock door seal is now complete. Have other entry points that rodents and pests use to get inside? We have you covered. See the full line of proven exclusion products at buyexcluder.com.